Hello everyone. So let's see the departure process from Mumbai Airport. Our flight was Air India flight from Mumbai to JFK, New York. Reaching Mumbai Airport on time has become a challenge these days due to traffic and road constructions in Mumbai. So try to leave early and reach the airport 3 hours prior to your flight's departure time. There are carts available to keep your bags and take them inside the airport. At the entrance, you have to scan the QR code of your ticket and then show the travel documents. Once verified, you will be allowed to enter the airport. Then is the time for check-in. We went to Air India counters and checked in our bags. If you have requested wheelchair, you will get it here and someone will assist you. Make sure you weigh your luggage and keep it under limit. No power banks or electronic devices in check-in bags. If you want to do the currency exchange, you can easily do that. Then is the time for security checks and immigration. Once that is done, you will enter the Mumbai duty-free stores. There are nice collections of ethnic gift items. Buggy rides are available in case you don't want to walk that long. After that, we will see the food court. We usually have some food here prior to our flight. Display boards are everywhere to see the flight status. After that, check the gate you have to go and you can reach it easily. Directions are pretty clear everywhere. Now is the time to board the flight. Our flight was on time, and we were very excited for experiencing the Air India flight. Now was the time to enjoy the flight.